In Venezuela, the race to find survivors under the rubble continues. The death toll now soaring to more than 900 people after twin earthquakes violently shook the South American country. Now, Venezuela's health minister says thousands of people are still missing. Today marks the first full day of global rescue efforts, but for survivors, the frustration is mounting.
The state has no capacity to act. There's no resources. There's no enough equipment. There's no enough tools and much needed things for the people trapped in the buildings that collapse. And institutions are just absent and hollow out. We don't even have we're not even seeing the official seismic organization, earthquake organization, doing reports in Venezuela right now.
The U.S. has promised $150 million in aid. The U.S. Treasury has also moved to waive sanctions to allow transactions related to earthquake relief efforts in Venezuela that would otherwise be prohibited.